Welcome to DevTech 101, aka Black Mantle, as I discuss information technology, also known as IT. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to create that custom white border around any image for your YouTube thumbnails. Make sure your quick selection tool is selected by left clicking, and you're going to make sure that quick selection tool is selected. Then you're going to do select subject. Make sure that you have the border running around your image. Then from there, you're going to do Command J if you're on a Mac, Control J if you're on a PC. You're going to see the new layer. It's layer 1 with the white background on the right. Click on your effects panel, click on stroke, and then there you go. You can then increase, decrease the size. I would say about a 4 through 6 should be sufficient. And click OK. And then your last step is you want to export it as a PNG. So you do File, then you're going to do your export, and then quick export as PNG and save the file however you like. And that's the end of it. Thanks for watching. Like, listen, and subscribe to the channel. DevTech 101, aka Black Mantle. Look forward to bringing more technology content to you soon.